Today we're making something familiar, but with a twist. A classic tomato soup, inspired by a world hidden in fog, where not everything is as it seems. We start with the basics, a proper broth. I pour water into a pot, add the meat, whatever you prefer, then in goes a charred onion, skin on, and the classic vegetables, carrot, parsley root. Now the most important part, patience. The broth should barely simmer, no aggressive boiling, just a gentle bubble for about 3 hours. After that, I transfer it into a larger pot and add tomato passata. I season it with dried lovage, salt, and finish with finely grated carrot and parsley root. The soup cooks for another 40 minutes, developing depth. In the meantime, I prepare the poured dumplings. Simple, but they need to be done right. 2 eggs, flour, a pinch of salt, mixed into a perfectly smooth batter. No lumps, otherwise they'll fall apart in the water. Let it rest for 10 minutes, then into lightly salted water with a bit of neutral oil. The water shouldn't boil aggressively. Keep it calm. I pour the batter into a small jug and drizzle it gently into the pot. After 2 to 3 minutes, they're ready. And now, the magic begins. I pour the soup into a bowl. The dumplings go on top. Then, carefully, I place the sugar dome, a fragile, glossy shell. Underneath, I trap cherry wood smoke, using a kitchen smoker. The smoke stays inside, creating something straight out of Silent Hill. You break the dome, and the fog spills onto the plate. This soup doesn't just taste incredible, it leaves an impression. If you love tomato soup, you're going to love this version even more.